back to my channel NCERT Maths with Pradeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 3.4 of chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variables of grade 10. So third part of second question is the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So again, this is very important type of question. So let's understand this question first. Take any example, take any two-digit number, let it be 53. So this is ones place, this is the tens place. So how to write this number in expanded form? So this means 5 should be multiplied with 10 and 3 should be multiplied with 1. So 5 with place value of 5 and 3 with place value of 3. So if I reverse this number, then this number will be 35. So this number, that is, this is your original number. Let this be reversed number. So now this is 35. So 3 should be multiplied with 10 and 5 should be multiplied with 1. So whatever is the digit at 10th place, we should multiply that number with 10. And whatever is the digit at ones place, we will multiply that digit with 1, add them to get our given number. So this is a very important to frame the equations. So now if I take x and y, so my original number should be x should be multiplied with 10 and y should be multiplied with 1. So this is 10x plus y is my original number. Okay. And if I reverse the digits, then the number will be y and x. So how to obtain this number? So now y should be multiplied with 10 and x should be multiplied with 1. So reversed number is 10y plus x. So now I hope you can understand the difference between your original number and reversed number. This is basically to interchange the digits, and then to obtain that number we should multiply the respective values of the digits with their place value. So now this is going to help us a lot in framing the equations. So let's see our question first. In the rough I want to write it down, that is, let original number is xy I have taken. So what is the value? This is 10x plus y, and reversed number I have taken as yx. This is equal to 10y plus x. Okay. So now what is the condition? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means one digit is x, second digit is y. So sum of the digits means x plus y. So x plus y is given to us as 9, and then we will frame the second equation. So let's see how to solve this now. So let digit at, see I have taken tens place as x. So digit at tens place be x and ones place be y. Okay. Then what is my original number? This you should write. Therefore, original number is equal to 10x plus y. Because sometimes students will write this xy. This is wrong. Okay. So we should always write the number in this way, in expanded form. So this is 10x plus 1. And what is the reversed number? So this is 10y plus x. So 10y plus x. Okay. So now let's start. Sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. So this means sum of the digits means x plus y. This is 9. This is my first equation. Okay. Second is 9 times this number. This number means original number. So 9 times original number 10x plus y is equal to the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits twice. Okay, so 2 times the reversed number. So reversed number is 10y plus x. So now open this bracket. So 9 into 10 is 90x plus 9y equals to 20y plus 2x. Shift x and y to one side. So 90x plus 9y minus 20y minus 2x equals to 0. So now 90x minus 2x is 88x. Plus 9 minus 20 is minus 11y equals to 0. So 88x equals to 11y. Then what is the value of y? So 88x is equal to 11y. So now what we can do is, what is the value of, see this is 11 is common. Let's do like this. This is 8x minus 1y equals to 0. Okay, because 11 is common, or you can write like this here, 88x minus 11y equals to 0. So take 11 common. So 8x minus y equals to 0 is our second equation. Okay, so now let's see. So here we can see that y's coefficient is 1 in this case, 1 in this case with opposite sign. Simply add them and y will be eliminated. So 1 plus do we will do, and x plus y equals to 9. Here it is 8x minus y equals to 0. This is cancelled. 8 plus x, 8x plus x is 9. This is also 9. So x is 9 by 9 as 1. So now we get the value of x. Let's eliminate x to find the value of y. Compare their coefficients. X is 1 here, x is 8 here. So multiply first equation with 8. So we will say multiply 1 by 8. Sorry. Always, write equations in circle and numbers without circle. So this is 8x plus 8y, 9 8s are 72. And second equation is 8x minus y. So this is our third equation. So we can see that 8x are both here, but they are with same sign. So we will subtract our equations, that is 2 minus 3. So let's write this. 8x minus y equals to 0. Now this is 8x plus 8y equals to 72. Okay, change the signs. This is cancelled. Minus y minus 8 is minus 9y. This is also minus 72. So then what is y? Minus 72 divided by minus 9. So value of 9 is 9 8s are 72. So this is 8. Still we are not done with our question. The question was find the number. So what is the number? So original number is 10x plus y. Okay. So this is 10 times x is 8. Sorry. 10 times x. X is 1 plus y, that is 8. So this is 10 plus 8 as 18. So 18 is our required number. So again, this is very important type of question from examination point of view. So first of all, we should assume our number in this format, where we will assume the digit at ones place and tens place. Write this in expanded form, reverse the digits, again write that number in expanded form, and then frame your equations. So I hope this type of question is clear to you. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of the same exercise. Thank you.